Hey guys, welcome back. If you all want to see how I take this big frizzy hair and how I get these nice defined curls and how I do a really quick install, keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm not wearing a cap or anything. This is just a straight wig on top of my braids. So I'm going to blow dry that got to be glue that I sprayed on. And I'm not going to put the wig on until it's tacky. So yeah, you want to make sure that it's tacky and not wet when you put it on, because then it won't stick. Then I'm going to spray a little bit more on the end. I'm going to blow dry that again. So now I'm going to take my hot comb and press my hair out and get everything just, laying down and try to get it super flat. Next, I'm going to clip my hair back and I'm going to tie it down just so that everything gets a chance to lay and get flat while I style my hair. When you tie your unit down, make sure it's not too tight, because then you'll have a line of like demarcation across your head and you don't want that. Now I'm just going to spray my hair with some water. Oh shit. So after you've wet your hair, you want to take some foaming mousse and put a little bit on your hand. And well, actually not a little bit, but enough. And you want to start from the bottom and work your way up. So I didn't do this, but if your hair is really dry, you can add a leave-in conditioner to your spray bottle. I don't like a lot of product in my hair, so I didn't add that. But when it's really dry, I do. I don't use any oils or anything. I just use conditioner only, and I use a little bit at a time. So now I'm just going to do the same exact thing on the other side. What? Extra.
People sell their cigarettes at different prices. I said my cigarettes were 75 cents.
Jesus.
Because cigarettes cost money. She's sitting here sucking her teeth. Trying to whip everywhere like she poltergeist. I'm like,
I be thinking I be the only one peeping. I be like, do y'all guys like making 50 faces? I be like, is it that hard to just relax your face?
right. We just, everybody.
Okay, so let's take off our wrap or whatever now. Yes, but anyway, we're gonna make some big hair, okay? Not too much. I actually don't even feel like making any, but I need to make some new ones. I think I need a new closure. I need a new closure, y'all. I think I need a new closure. I keep saying I need a new closure, but honestly, I just need to sit down and make new baby hair on freshly washed hair. Right now, it has a little bit of product in it still, so it's kind of stiff, and I didn't want to do too much. But we were in Puerto Rico. I was getting ready, and I was rushing and snatched off the wrap, and my hair was on the wrap, y'all. So I just never sat down and made more hair, but I'm gonna do that the next time I wash it. So now I'm using the comb side to like swoop everything in place. I usually use the comb side. Well, it depends. I use both sides, but I'm using the comb side first. And I'm going to later use the brush to get that like cast off, because I don't like that hard look on baby hair. So right now I'm using a comb. And I'm not using like an edge controller or anything. I'm using the same wrap lotion that I use for the curls. Now these actually aren't the normal clips that I use for this step. I use the plastic section clips. You can find those at like Target or TJ Maxx for about $3.99 and come in a 4-pack. Okay, next I'm going to tie down my baby hair for about 5 minutes just to let that mold. Now I'm going to get rid of that cast that's on the baby hair. I have one because it's already product on the hair. This isn't freshly washed, as I mentioned. So you just want to do this until it gives you that soft look. And this is the finished result, guys. When you see in the front where it was sticking up, I flattened that out a little bit. Yeah, you can also take the hot comb back through it. I think I did that. But thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys later.